So a question we get all the time is, why isn't my job posting attracting the right candidates? If this happens to you and you're not getting enough applicants, or the applicants you're getting are not the right fit, then hopefully this video can help you out. We'll be going over the common reasons why job postings don't get traction and how you can actually fix it. Okay, so first let's talk about the importance of a good job posting, right? Your job posting is the first thing that your potential employees are going to see. And so it not only needs to inform, but it also needs to attract good people. And so if you're just writing something random with a bunch of random requirements and things about your company, it's not gonna look good. And you basically wanna think about it as copywriting. If you're trying to sell someone on a job, you can't just randomly write things and expect it to do well. However, a lot of people do that, and so that's why there are a lot of common mistakes that are easily fixable. So the first common mistake is having a vague job title. For example, if you have a job title like Rockstar Developer, that's not gonna be good. It could be very confusing, and you wanna be way more specific. Using words like that, it's going to reduce the visibility of the job post in search, and it's going to attract mismatched applicants. Make the job title sound accurate, but also exciting and actually with the right keywords. And depending on what country you're trying to hire in, some job titles might attract different people. Some job titles might not be common within a certain country. And so if that is the case, then you're not gonna get any job applicants. That's why it's really important to have a local hiring team. If you guys do want to hire people in Indonesia, that's where our company Paired specializes in. We have a local in-person team in Jakarta. We know exactly how to do job posts right to attract the right candidates. If you guys do want to learn more about our service, I'll put our link down below, paired.so. You guys can learn more about our services as well as fill out the quick form, and we can hop on a call and figure out how we can help your business. The next mistake is having overloaded job requirements. So if you're listing every possible skill, even ones that are not that crucial, it's gonna be pretty intimidating. If you're saying the right candidate needs this, all this stuff, then that could detract a lot of people from actually applying. Only put really essential skills that are mandatory, and there's no need to put skills that are non-essential. That's also gonna make your job listing more concise, and more people will actually read through it. The next thing that a lot of job descriptions lack is salary information. Not only salary, but talking about any benefits that the job includes is important. Obviously, the reason why almost everyone works is to make money, right? They need to be able to pay their bills. If you don't put the salary and benefits information, then a lot of people, they'll just go look at jobs that have that posted because they don't want to take the risk of applying and then finding out that this job pays a lot less or a lot more. And yeah, we don't want that mismatch there. The next is the actual job description itself, what text you're writing. A lot of people write really lengthy, like jargon-filled, bland descriptions of the job, and that does not sell the position. Like I said earlier, you wanna think of the job description as copy. You need to sell the client, and in this case, the client is the candidate. You really want them to get excited to learn more about the role and the company. Super important part that a lot of people will actually miss. The next mistake is not talking about the company culture. Today, it's very important for candidates to want to fit in. They're starting to value company culture a lot more. And so that's why you need to talk about the fit as well as the company values. This is all a part of being very transparent about your company. They're looking for things that match what they're looking for. And since company culture, it's very important for a lot of people, I think it's a mistake to not include this in your job description. So in summary, here's how I want you guys to revamp your job description. First, get a more clear and relevant job title. Make sure it matches the local region of where you are hiring in. Don't overload your job description with a bunch of skills that are non-essential. Only focus on the ones that are mandatory. Be transparent about compensation, talk about the salary, talk about the benefits, showcase your company culture and your values, and of course, post your job everywhere. Depending on what type of position you're hiring for, as well as where you are hiring, the amount and types of job boards you post on is going to have a huge effect on how many eyeballs see that job. So really consider what platforms you are advertising on, think about the keywords you're using within your job post, and also consider trying to find candidates using social media. In terms of optimizing your job postings, this is not a learn it once and be done with it thing. You're gonna always need to learn about industry trends, what works, what doesn't work, how things are evolving in the job hunting space, what things candidates are starting to prioritize or deprioritize. And you can also ask for feedback from your candidates to see, hey, was this job posting good? Was the description good? What could we have done better? And actually take that advice into consideration. So yeah, those are some of the most common mistakes that people make when writing job descriptions. And often leads to either not getting enough applicants or getting the wrong types of applicants. Hopefully you guys learned something from this video. And again, if you guys are looking to hire superstar talent from overseas at up to 80-90% cost savings, savings, check out our service. We've been doing this for a long time. We have a lot of experience, and I'm confident that we can help you find the best hire possible. Plus, you only pay if you actually successfully hire someone, so it's completely risk-free for you. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe for more content just like this. Our whole goal with this channel is to help you guys hire correctly. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.